Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check country and software version in Sony Xperia X by using IMEI. In the very beginning you have to open a browser and then go to IMEI.info website. When you are here, just enter your IMEI number, go for CAPTCHA protection and click on check. Now you can see whole specification about your phone. Then if you want to check country and software version, you should choose firmware SIM country. Then click again at check and wait 10 seconds while your order is processing. There you go. You can come up with plenty of very useful information. Here you can check country of your phone. Here is current software version, latest software version, and last software version. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.